Of former President Donald Trump, the first time a former president has ever been criminally charged. Trump is expected to fly up to New York on Monday and turn himself in before Tuesday's arraignment. Now, the exact charges in this indictment are still unknown. ABC's Aaron Katersky has the latest.
Sources tell ABC News former President Donald Trump will surrender to authorities in New York on Tuesday and be booked at the courthouse as a criminal defendant. Until then, the indictment against him remains sealed, but sources familiar with the case tell us Trump is facing around 24 counts, including felonies, stemming from a $130,000 hush payment to porn actress Stormy in the closing weeks of the 2016 campaign.
Did you know about the $130,000 payment to Stormy?
At first, Trump denied knowing about the payment, but later admitted he did. And his legal team now claims he arranged it not to protect his campaign, but to protect his family. It's not the only hush payment the grand jury heard about. Sources tell ABC News prosecutors also presented evidence of a $150,000 payment to a second woman, Playboy model Karen McDougall.
There was a real relationship there. There were real feelings between the two of us.
McDougall claims she had an affair with Trump in 2006 and was paid off by Trump's friends at the National Enquirer in August of 2016, shortly before the election. The former president has denied both affairs, and today his defense attorney promised a vigorous fight.
We'll proceed to see a judge at some point, plead not guilty, start talking about filing motions, which we will do immediately and very aggressively.
Trump has repeatedly attacked District Attorney Alvin Bragg, even posting a picture of himself holding a baseball bat next to a photo of Bragg. And today he lashed out at the judge who will preside over his case. Security around the courthouse is now stepped up, and police are bracing for protests on the day Trump arrives. Once he's in New York, we expect former President Trump to be driven here to court, enter through a side door. Whether he needs to be fingerprinted and photographed, we'll see, but we're told he will not be handcuffed. Once he enters court, his attorney said he'll plead not guilty and then head straight back home to Florida to continue with his campaign for president. Aaron Katersky, ABC News, New York.